problem that we face not only in New Jersey, but even nationally, is that a lot of community spaces are not accessible to people with disabilities. This project was part of an effort to take a healthy community space and really make them welcoming places of people with disabilities.
Having an inclusive garden, it makes it easy for other people to access. Everybody, whether it includes wheelchair, even if it's someone using a walker or a cane.
This community garden effort is a way to reach people who are often left out, give them the opportunity to garden, and also by extension, giving them an opportunity to improve their diets and eat more fruits and vegetables.
We actually grow 2 different carrots. One of them is the Danvers carrot, and then the other one is the one you buy in the grocery store. And then we have tomatoes, and we have green peppers as well.
So this project was a real community effort. There were a lot of groups and people who contributed to it. It's funded by the New Jersey Division of Disability Services.
I just like basically that it's out here in nature and that we get to grow our own food and be able to pick it.
This has been really important for them. And so it really just adds to that relationship that we can see them and engage with them here.